In this video, we'll walk you through the onboarding process for creating external connections with Conclude so you can easily sync channels and chats between Slack and Microsoft Teams for smooth bi-directional communication. To get started, visit our homepage and click Get Started Free or Sign Up. We offer a free trial, giving you access to all features so you can explore everything before making a decision. Start by signing in with your primary messaging platform, either Slack or Microsoft Teams. This will automatically create your Conclude account and link it to the chosen platform. You only need to sign in with one platform to use Conclude Connect for external connections. This step is for authentication only. It won't add Conclude to your workspace yet. Next, you will be asked to create your company's Conclude account, fill in the details, and select Create Account. This will then take you to Conclude's web dashboard. Enable Conclude for external connections by toggling the switch on. You'll then be prompted to add Conclude to your primary messaging platform, in this example, Slack. This step installs Conclude in your workspace and grants permissions to sync messages across channels. Once Conclude has been added to your primary messaging platform, you'll be ready to start connecting channels and chats. Let's take a quick look at the Settings section, where you can manage information and users. Here, admins can see an account overview, including all channels, active users, and billing, adjust the organization's account settings, set roles, and define who can manage teams and connect channels. View and manage the teams and workspaces connected to Conclude. See a list of active and inactive users and send reminders for users to connect Conclude to their Slack or Teams account. Adjust how messages and files are handled and synced. To connect with external companies, go to the Connect External tab in the sidebar, click Invite by email, choose the Slack or Microsoft team you want to connect, select the channel you want to connect to an external team, enter the collaborator's name and email, then click Continue. Review and edit the invitation. You can choose to send this yourself or via Conclude. The invitation link can be forwarded or sent directly to the Slack or Teams admin at the company you want to connect with. They will have 96 hours to set up and authenticate their platform before the link expires. After sending the invitation, you can track the status to see if it has been accepted or not. The external company will need to add Conclude to their workspace so both companies can send messages bi-directionally. Conclude has created an invitee guide for external companies to help them get started. This can be found under Quick Start Guides on our website. Keep your conversations connected using Conclude for Slack and Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching.